So in this particular tutorial I am going to show you how to add equations into Google Form, and it is the easy way to add the equations into the Google Forms. If you want to create mathematics quiz, then it is very difficult to add the equations, but with the help of this particular technique you can add equations easily into your Google Form. From Chrome Web Store you have to download Equatio. So add to Chrome, click on that, add extension. It will take some time. Now it is added. Equatio is helpful for adding equations into the Google Form, and you can easily add into the Google Form. Suppose I want to create mathematics quiz where the various questions are in terms of summation, integration, derivative, and in terms of graph also. If suppose this is the quiz I have created, and I will show you how this quiz can be easily created with the help of add-on whatever added by me. Go to Drive, click on Google Forms, then give title Mathematics Quiz 1. Then first question, name of student. Then next question, what we want next question, that is nothing but evaluate this summation from 0 to 3 x square. I will add new question. This is the question is evaluate. Now how to write the equation? For writing the equation, whenever we are adding this Equatio Chrome extension, at that time it will show you such type of diagram on your Google Form. So you can click over there, click on that. It will open this particular toolbox where you have equation editor, latex editor, then graph editor, handwriting recognition. Using speech input you can type the equation. Suppose I want to type the equation evaluate summation, so I can have summation. You can have summation from x is equal to 0 till 3 and x square, x raised to 2. So this is the equation I have typed. You can click on insert math. It is inserted into the Google Form. You can see this preview. It is inserted. So we will have multiple choice answer. What is the option 1? As per our quiz, 2, 14, 10 and 12. So we can add 2, 14, then 10 and then 12. So question 1 is over. Evaluate summation start from 0 to 3 x square. Now if you click on that 3 dots, it will have left align, center align, right align, change and remove. You can remove also, you can change right align, center align, left align. I have kept left align. Now I can show you this particular preview. Now after that, what is the second question we have to add? We have to add this evaluate integration x dx. I will add another question, evaluate. Then click on this summation, insert math. Earlier question we have added by using equation editor. Now I will show you handwriting recognition, how you can add through handwriting recognition. Integrations, so draw integration and then x dx. You will get the x dx, integration of x dx. You can insert into the math. It will take some time. It will insert into the Google Form. It is inserted. What we want? X dx. Now what are the options? We have x, xy, x square by 2 and 2x. We will add it. Multiple choice question. First option I will delete it. I want x, then I can insert. First option is x. Another option I want, what option I want? xy. Then click on this, then xy, insert. Then third option x square by 2. You can delete from here and then write x square divided by 2. Insert, inserted. And fourth option, that is 2x. So I will add, delete from here, 2x, insert. Now you can see this preview. First question, evaluate, then integration of x, xy, x square by 2, 2x. Now what is the third question we want? Third question is choose correct graph from the following, that is sine and sine x. So you can add one more question, choose correct graph for what? If suppose I have to delete it, sine x, insert. It is inserted. Now what are the options? Options in terms of graph. So you can click on graph editor, go to graph editor, keeping this cos x as the first option. So this is the cos x. You can insert into the Google form. Then go to second option, click on this. This is our correct option. You can draw this editor, sine x, insert into this Google form. Okay, added. You can preview this question, first, second and third. Now what is remaining? Derivate. We have to derivate it. Add that question, derivate. What we have to derivate? We will use another technique to add the equation, that is nothing but speech input. Click on that speech input, click on that speech input, this start, x square, you can insert. But before that you must pause this speech input, otherwise it will take some other output also. Insert into this, it is inserted. Now what is the derivative of x square? Option 1, you can delete. You can press x, first option is inserted. Now second option, you can delete it. Again click on this, 2x. Then third option, 4xy. So we have added. Now you can see this particular form where we have inserted this question with the help of equation, typing the equation, second by handwriting the equation, and this by graph, and last by voice. So you can add the equations into the Google form with the help of this. You can add those equations into Google form with the help of this extension. The extension is Equatio. In Google form you can add complicated equations also, suppose double integration, triple integration, and you can have the limit also, and you can insert. So this is possible, and easily you can insert into the Google form.